السلام عليكم. عشان نحل صبايا sample 3. This is exercise sample 3 for CIT preparation. You can go to your Edmodo to download the attached file I send you to work on to do the exercise on this folder. Again, some of you don't know how. Again, click this square, just click on it. Once it's opened, just copy, and to see, click paste. You'll have folder called year 15. Open it and all of our work will be done here. For the first question, let's read it again and see how it will be done. Delete. This is the command. This is the file. Oh, it's not a file now, it's a folder. Delete folder in C, and this is the location C, year 215 exams. I will go to, this is my folder C. Again, look to the question, year. Let me just close this, I don't want it opened. Year 215 exams. He wants me to delete the folder final. I delete it. Delete all pictures. Now I would want to delete all picture files in this folder, in this location. Let me go to the year activities, and he wants me to delete a picture. This is a picture, yes. This is a picture, yes. I will select it. This is a picture, no. This is a picture, no. This is a picture, no. This is a picture, yes. I will select the 3 pictures and click delete. He asked me to delete all pictures. Question 3, change properties. This is the file college website in year 215. Let me see. Do I have 4 college websites? College, that's it. He wants me to change the properties. Which properties? Look to him. Read only. Read only. So I will go here. I have read only. After a butch mark, I will give OK and finished. Question 4, is printer an input device or is it output device? He asked me, what's the type of the printer? Is it input, output, mass? I can't use printer to input data. بتدخليش بياناتك انت عن طريق البرينتر. Usually you print على ورق على papers, so it's an output device. الماس مثل flash memory مثل hard disk, you can't save data on a printer. So this is my answer, output device. He says to answer this question, open the file, open this file. Okay, see year 2015 questions. Delete the correct answer. I have this file question 4. Let me go here in questions. Question 4, he say delete the correct answer. It's input or output or mass. I say it's output, so I will select it and click delete. Save the file because I asked you to save it, and close it because it's the question. It says delete the correct answer, save, and close the file. The question 15, delete all subfolders in this folder in this location. Let me go to grades, this is grades. I have files and folders. I want to delete just the subfolders, so I will choose only the folders and delete them. I will not touch the files. He didn't ask me to do this. Delete 5, delete. I do this. Question 6, create a new file. You want me to open paint. This is search paint. Okay, let me minimize it. I open the application. Then what he's asking, save the file under. This is the name of the file, logo. This is the type of the file in this location. I will file, save. The name is logo. I will write logo, L capital, so logo. The type of the file is GPG, GPG. This is GPG. Look, he write GPG. I must add E action because he write GPG and they wanted GPEG. I'll type EG. Now, where I want to save it, he says to me, and your website. I will go to C. Here, okay, and in the folder website, because he asked me the where, and the folder is website. This is the website. The name is logo. The type GPG. I will save it, and he say close the file. Look, he didn't ask draw, so I will not draw anything. Question 7. Create using a notepad. So I must start a notepad. This is my notepad. Okay. What he wants me to do? Type this sentences. Let me type it. Absence should be considered as an un an sorry, unavoidable circumstance, not an optional. Okay, now he wants me to save it. This is the name. The type is txt in year and pen, so I will file, save. The name is absence, a capital absence, and I want to save it in year C. This is the folder C, and I want to check year 215. This is my folder. I save it and they said close the file. I close it. Question 8. What is the extension of the text document? It's text document, so it's what the extension txt. To answer this question, open question 8 in year 2015. delete احذفي الكوريكت answer. احذفي الإجابة الصحيحة and save. Any questions? Question 8. This is my year folder. This is a question. This is a question 8. What's the type of text file? He say delete it. I will delete. Then he says save. Oh, sorry. File, save, and close the file. Question 9. He say open the WordPad. So I must open the WordPad. This is my WordPad. I open it. Okay, now let's check what he wanted from us. He say open the file in C year 2000. File, open in my folder. You want me to open Laureate? I open it. Okay, what should I do now? See his question. I open it. Then he said change the color of the last paragraph, last end of the document, آخر فقرة, to vibrant red. حولها vibrant red. Save in the same location we close. Let me see. This is my file. This is the first, second, the last. I will select it. The color vibrant red. هذا what's the name of this professional red. This one is vibrant. لاحظ كيف مكتوب vibrant red قدامك. Select it and then you say save and close the file. Question 10. Create a new spreadsheet under the name. This is the name of the file. Semester expenses in folder C. In this folder, I want to create spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, that means Excel files. Worksheet, spreadsheet are the same, and the name will be trimester expenses. Okay. أعطيني 5 دقائق. Compress the folder exams in C. Save it under the name, same name. This is exam. I want to compress. Compress means zipping the file, share zip. I will not change the name or location because he says to me same location, same name. I will not save it. Okay. Now he says using snipping tool. I will must start this snipping tool. Take a screenshot of any part of the desktop. I will go to the desktop. This is the snipping tool. Okay, I want to take any part. I can take any picture, Sabaya. Any part. I take it. After that, what he wants me? Save it under the name. Which name? sorry. سوري صبايا. سترينج تول أخذ جزء من الصورة اسمها سناب بالتايب JPG الفولدر تبعي. this is the snipping tool. file save. the name is snap نوعها JPG as he asked. in my folder لازم أروح أنا على C again clear الفولدر تاعي and save and close the file. سؤال 13. he is asking me when the ribbon was created. You can find this information in your first book. كتابك الأول أعطيناك إياه الأبيض if you remember it. But anyway, to answer this question بحكي لي open the file question 13 في this folder year questions and delete the correct answer. This is my folder. This is a question and this is question 13. He says it was invented 27. So I will select it and delete the correct answer. Save. سؤال 14. Move the file Abdelmajid XLX from the folder. We have this folder. I want to move it to students. Let me see. This is the year. Do I have file Abdelmajid? Yes, that's it. I want to move it to students. This is folder students work. Just hold it. Or let me do it in the long way. Cut student works and I will click paste. Okay. فيك تعملي بطريقة تانية تحملي وتوديه لغاد. the same thing صبايا. Okay, go to the workbook. This teacher في year cover. Year cover. This is the book. Okay, I find it. Then he wants me to do what? He say, find the size of this file. Okay, to find the size, I'll right click properties. By the way, so this is the properties again. You can find it here, by the way. You can click it from here. This is the size. Select, copy. I copy the size because sure he wants me to ask something about it. I find the size. He say in a new text file في ملف نص جديد اطبع القيمة. And his name is teachers one size. لاحظ كيف اسمه teachers one size in the same location. This is the teacher. I will create a new text file اسمه الفايل teacher 1 size. خلينا نشوف الاسم صح عندي. teacher 1 size. Okay, it's the same name. I will open it and type the value. بحكي لك type صغير لازم دائما تفتحي اسمه. بحكي لك مثلا save it as and your answer is the name. معناته بدك اياك تسمي الملف بالاسم الإجابة. بس هو حكى لي سمي say type in يعني داخل الملف افتحي الشغل. سؤال 16 go to folder sections. Okay, this is the folder sections. Okay, what you want me to do? Count the number of files. How many files I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 files. Okay, that's good. He says type again. افتحي ملف in a new text file واسمها file count in the same location. This is my location. I must open a new text file وإيش اسمها file count. He say type the value. قديش عددهم 6. I will type 6. Save and close. Why I call it file count لأن هون شو حكى لي سمي file count. لما أشوف كلمة type معناته لازم أفتحه وأخزن جواته. Open the text file. Open this file. Okay, web info here. Let me see. This is my year, web info. This is web info. I open it. Let me see the question. Okay, I open it. What you want me to do? At the end of the document, how will go to the end? Control N. This is the end of the document. Okay, and he says on a new line means I must press enter on the keyboard. Okay, what should I do now? Type the following. اطبعي this statement between parentheses. الجملة بين حاصرتين as usual. Copy. Write to 15 laureate dot all right. طبعا انتبه للكابيتالز للسمول للمسافات كل واحد تتحاسبي عليه ري زيرت. I finish. Then he say file save and close. ما حكى ليش غير اسم. But what I do save and close the file. He says open the calculator. This is the calculator. Okay, I open it. He say change it to display statics. View, I wanted statics. I went to view. صغير مرات بكون حاط لك statistical the same beginnings. Now he says change the name of the folder. You change the name as usual. This is the folder. You change it, rename it to your name and ID Fatima, whatever your number is. Okay, once you did that, then he need to go to the last question. Empty the recycle bin. Empty the recycle bin. Let's go to the desktop. This is the recycle bin. Just click empty or open it. Click empty. I open it. So before I finish, all the questions is done. قبل ما تنهي, don't forget he asks you to change the calculator. I must have the answer. So how you send it in your exam, for example. This is the calculator. I want to show that I click scientific. So start listening tool. Take a screenshot of the calculator to show me that, yeah, I copy the calculator, it's scientific. Okay, and save it بالfolder تبعنا. your folder, save it in your folder. I call it Fatima, I think. Let me check. Fatima, and save it as screenshot. And as usual, move it, your folder, from C to your desktop, because in Labs as I told you, you can do it. Paste it here in the desktop. Okay, paste it in the desktop, and you can zip it, compress it, and send it through Moodle, Edmodo, whatever your situation. That's done. I hope you all succeed, ladies. Please concentrate. Wish you luck.